I'm going to give you now a room tour. This is the entrance, the front door. On the left, you will have an area with a couple shelves where you can put your items. There's a safety box for all of your important documents and maybe jewelry, etc. There's enough space to house your item for the duration of your trip. To the right on your entry is also the bathroom, perfect size, I would say, for one cruiser or a couple. The toilet, just regular stuff, nothing special about it, but I think it's perfect. It's clean. That's the most important thing for me, cleanliness. On this side here is a closet space. You have enough hangers here. You also have an area right on top here where you can put some items. So you have some items here. I have hung my PJ. I also have some of my items here, and below you also have another area where you can put your suitcase and some of your shoes. Further down is another closet space where on the very top is your life jacket, and as you come down you have an area where you can hang your clothes. So as you can see, I have some of my clothes are hung. Yep. And entering the room, there's another area here where you have a shelf, two shelves, a phone in case of emergency, or you want to order room service, or you want to call your butler to bring something. If you have friends in other rooms, you can also call them using this phone. And the little desk, you want to sit here. They also have water, but it's not free. I think it costs $4.50 for one of those waters, but I bought my own water. And here also is a mirror with Your Highness, moi. And there's a little stool also, you can sit. Maybe I don't know if you want to put makeup, or you brought your laptop and you want to do some editing, etc. And here, my friend, is the star of the show, the bed, which is one of the most comfortable hotel beds I have slept in. The duvet or comforter, whatever you want to call it, is so comfortable and so soft. I don't know what quality that is, but it's just perfect. The pillow is also very perfect. It's not too firm, but it's not too soft. I had the best sleep here last night, and I'm looking forward to having another great sleep tonight and for the duration of my cruise. Here we have a beautiful swan that was left on the bed, I guess after house cleaning cleaned the room. They also usually put those beautiful pieces of art together. I am always amazed by their level of creativity. Wish I could do that, but I'm sure I can learn. So yeah, this is the room, this is the bed. Here you have it. It's just adequate space. I think it's perfect for one person or a couple, or if you have like you and your child is traveling, you can share this room. I don't, to save money, yeah, three people can share it, but I like to have my own little space. So, and there also you have a TV. And guys, I love having a window cabin. I cannot do an inside cabin. I need to have some form of view. I need to see something. I need to see outside. But yeah, and we are just arrived in Freeport, Bahamas. We have arrived. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That is the lovely room. I'm just going to chill here for a bit, then go up for lunch.